Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can enable team create on Roblox. So it's pretty simple. For this you need to open your Roblox Studio first and enter your Roblox game. So this is basically the Roblox game which I'm currently creating. So to enable the sharing feature or collaborating feature or team view feature, what I need to do is click on view at the top. Once I click on it, you need to hover your mouse on top of this option like this little. Now in my screen you might not see it, but if you hover your mouse on top of a symbol which looks like this, it's going to show you this option called team create. So just click on team create and click on turn on. Once you do that, you have turned on your team create. Now what you want to do is if you want to add other people to view your world or help you create this world, what you can do is at the top right corner you can see this option called collaborate. Click on it. You can click on it as well, or you can just let the team create thing load. Alright, so I'm not going to click on collaborate, but in your case if this is not showing up, you need to click on where it says collaborate. Alright, so as you guys can see, my team view feature has been turned on. Now what I can do is click on where it says collaborate. From over here I can enter the name of my friend or any person I want to add in this world. So for an example, let's say I want to add someone named Alex. I can type this name Alex and I can just click on them like this, and I can choose which position I want them to have. I'm going to have play, and I'm going to click on save, and now they're going to be added to this world. So that's how you guys can turn on team create and also add people. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.